What's the meaning of countervailing? Countervailing. Countervailing.
Countervailing. Countervailing. The word countervailing refers to something that offsets or balances out the effects of something else, typically in a way that creates a more equitable or fair outcome. For example, countervailing trade measures might be used to address unfair trade practices by foreign countries. In this case, duties or tariffs may be imposed on imported goods to offset the subsidies provided by the foreign government. Countervailing forces can also exist within economics, politics, and social issues where it is essential to maintain a balance of power and prevent one group from dominating the other.